Today we will deal with the lesson plan of the chapter The Black Aeroplane. First of all, we will provide this required information in the lesson plan. After that, we come to learning objectives. I have already mentioned many times what is learning objectives and how to write it. After writing the learning objectives, we come to learning outcomes where we write the learning outcomes of that particular chapter, what this chapter will, how this chapter will be useful, or what will be the result of teaching this chapter. Okay, after writing the learning outcomes, we come to teaching method. In teaching method, we write all the methods of teaching English. Since this is the English lesson plan, so we will write the methods which are useful in teaching English. Teaching learning materials. These are the tools which are required for teaching English. Chalk, duster, pointer, chart paper, textbook. If you are teaching in smart board, then you can directly write smart board. Okay. Previous knowledge of the student. The students have basic knowledge about the story Black Aeroplane. Since this is the lesson plan of a story, then we come to introduction question. In introduction question, you can ask these questions. Okay, for this chapter, the Black Aeroplane, and your expected answer will be this. Okay. After that, you reveal the name of the chapter that we are going to study, the chapter The Black Aeroplane. Then comes the introduction part. Here you write the name of the topic and the writer's name. Okay. Moving further, we come to model reading. In model reading, we read the paragraph, the passage, and student will listen you carefully. After reading, you ask students to read that paragraph. Then you conduct pronunciation drill. You write that difficult words in the blackboard which is difficult to pronounce. Then you can write word meanings in the blackboard. Okay. After writing word meanings, students will note down your written word meanings in their notebook. After that, you explain the topic. This is the explanation of the topic. After explaining, you write the interval question. Okay. In interval question, you can take one or two questions. It is enough. And along with interval question, you have to write the question in the expected evaluation of expected learning outcome. Then same process will be repeated. Model reading, imitation reading. This is the next paragraph of the story. After that, pronunciation drill, word meanings, all this should be written in blackboard neat and clean. Okay. After that, we write the explanation. This is the explanation of the second part of the story. You can see. After explaining, we again ask interval question and same question in the evaluation column. After writing interval question, we write the recapitulation. Here it will be the story is about pilot flying Jew. Okay, after writing recapitulation, we write homework.